Best quotes about election by famous people. Uyghur translation by Tuğluq Abdurazaq. Dаңлық kişilerinin saylam toğrısıdaki hikmetlik sözleri. Uygurcaga tercüm qilguvchi Tuğluq Abdurazaq. One of the penalties for refusing to participate in politics is that you end up being governed by your inferiors. Plato. Siyasetke arlaşmaslıkka berilgen cazalarının biri şu ki, senden aciz kişiler sana hükümranlık kıldı. Plato. We do not have a government by the majority. We have a government by the majority who participate. Thomas Jefferson. Bizning hükümetimiz köpçilik arqılıq saylanğan emas. Belki saylamga qatnaşqan köpçilikler saylanğan. Thomas Jefferson. Just because you do not take an interest in politics doesn't mean politics won't take an interest in you. Pericles. Siyasetke qiziqmaganligingiz siyaset sizga qiziqmaydi deganlik emas. Pericles. Every election is determined by the people who show up. Larry J. Sabato. Saylam neticesi saylamga qatnaşquchilar arqali belgilanadi. Larry Sabato. The future of this republic is in the hands of the American voter. Dwight D. Eisenhower. Cumhuriyetimizning kelgusi Amerika saylovchilarning qo'lida. Dwight D. Eisenhower. The ignorance of one voter in a democracy impairs the security of all. John F. Kennedy. Saylovchilarning sal qarishi hammalarning bexatarligiga ziyon yetkazadi. John F. Kennedy. Voting is not only our right, it's our power. Wrong on. Saylash bizning haqqimiz bo'lib qolmasdan, balki qudratli kuchimizdir. Leon on. If you don't vote, you lose the right to complain. George Carlin. Agar saylamga qatnashmasangiz, shikoyat qilish haqqingizni yo'qotasiz. George Carlin. The ballot is stronger than the bullet. Abraham Lincoln. Saylam bileti itilgan o'qdan kuchlik. Abraham Lincoln. Bad officials are elected by good citizens who don't vote. George Jean Naden. Yaman hükümet xodimlari saylamga qatnaşmagan yaxshi grajdanlar saylab chiqqan bo'ldi. Georgi Jean Naden. Somewhere inside all of us is the power to change the world. Roald Dahl. Her birimizning ichida dunyoni o'zgartiradigan bir kuch bor. Roald Dahl. Nobody will ever deprive the American people of the right to vote, except the American people themselves. And the only way they could do this is by not voting. Franklin D. Roosevelt. Amerika xalqining saylash huquqini tatib oldigan hech qanday kuch yo'q. Amerika xalqi o'zi saylamga qatnashmay, ashu huquqidan bahramand bo'ldi. Franklin D. Roosevelt. Elections are won by men and women, chiefly because most people vote against somebody rather than for somebody. Bazı kişiler saylamda utup çıkıdı. Çünkü mutlak köp kısımdaki insanlar ularni sayılganlıktan emas, belki karşı tarafni qo'llamaganlıktandır. We would like to vote for the best man, but he's never a candidate. Ken Hubbard. Hammaylar eng yaxshi odamni saylag'imiz keldi. Ammo undaq odam zodila kandidat bo'lolmaydi. Kim Hubbard. The vote is precious. It's the most powerful non-violent tool we have in a democratic society, and we must use it. John Lewis. Saylam nihoyatda qimmatli narsa. U demokratik jamiyatdagi eng qimmatli tinchlik holda kurash qiladigan qurolimizdir. Uni jazman ishlatishimiz lozim. John Lewis. Democracy must be something more than two wolves and a sheep voting on what to have for dinner. James Bovard. Demokratiya degan ikki bo'ri bilan bir qo'y tamoqqa nima yeydiganlik to'g'risida o'tkaziladigan saylam emas. James Bovard.